Hi, I'm Maisie from Coolingsgardencentre, and today I'm going to be showing you how to plant a terrarium. So the first step of building a terrarium is to add a layer of brick, and this will act as a drainage layer to stop the plant's roots from getting too wet. So next you're going to want to use the activated carbon, and this will just ensure that it removes any impurities from the soil and the water. So you just want to use sort of a tablespoon amount just on top of the brick. So because I'm planting with foliage plants today, I'm going to need to use a general houseplant compost, and I'm going to add that in with the activated carbon. Just a good layer in. So for this size terrarium, you probably only want to use 3 plants, and that just makes sure that they've all got enough space to grow. I make sure that I choose a nice bit of height in my terrarium, something a bit different, and also something with a bit of colour in it. So the easiest step is to plant the tallest one first, and plant it at the back so that you've got enough space to work forward. So working tallest to smallest, I'm going to plant this one next, just a bit in front of the last. And lastly, I'm going to be planting up the smallest one. So now I'm going to decorate my terrarium with this kit. It comes with green moss, tumbled grass, imitation soil, assorted pebbles and etched rocks. This kit is free for all Coolings family card holders when purchased with one of these terrariums. So first I'm going to start by using the imitation soil, and I'm going to add a fair layer of this onto the compost using this funnel. Next I'm going to be using the assorted pebbles from the kit. So in the kit we've also got some tumble grass, and I'm just going to be adding a few bits of this just for some colour. And last but not least, you do get these 2 etched rocks in the kit, which I'm just going to place at the front of the terrarium. When you're finding a home for your lovely terrarium, you want to ensure it's got good natural light, but avoid any areas with strong direct sunlight. So with watering, it really depends on the temperature surrounding the terrarium, but little at a time is best, and do not let the compost dry out completely.